That took a lot of energy out of me. Sam here from Freeline Fitness, and today we're not doing that. I just thought I'd do it for fun. It wasn't that fun. We're going to do a backflip tutorial. Now I did one a few years ago, and it did well. It got over 1,000 views. I was quite happy with that. So if I can get that again, that'd be great. I'm going to break it down to 3 steps, hopefully teaching you in under 5 minutes how to backflip. I'll do some demonstrations outside. I'm actually inside today because the weather's terrible, it's windy, the road's loud. So I thought I'd do the tutorial in my house and then the backflip's outside so I don't break anything. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Freeline Fitness, backflip tutorial under 5 minutes. I'll just show you some demos now and then we'll break it down to 3 steps. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Right guys, I'll give you a couple examples of a backflip. So one from face on, one from sideways. I forgot to mention as well, when you're learning, always make sure you're using something soft, so preferably not grass first or definitely not concrete. If you've got a crash mat or a mattress or a foam pit or a sand pit, they're the best things to learn. And then once you've got more confident, you go around, you can get the grass out. Go on the grass, don't get grass out, who carries grass around with them. But yeah, once you've got more confident, take it to grass, then concrete. So I'll show you from side on. That was bad because my hat was there. Show you from front on. Try to do a bit better. Nice and high. Tuck. There we go. Right guys, so you've just seen my demonstrations of how I do the backflip, so I'm going to break it down how I do it. I'm going to start with step 1, which is the takeoff. So I'll do it from side on. So what I tend to do, I'll do it from the front as well, but I'll start side on. I tend to have my feet shoulder width apart, maybe just a bit over. You don't want too close, you shouldn't be able to bend to get that power. Just over shoulder width apart. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your arms down with your knees and then push up. So it's like a half squat. So you're not like a proper squat, but just squatting down half so you can get a bit of power through your legs. And at the same time, as you go back up, you're going to throw your arms up into the air and push like that. So that's the first step, guys. So feet just over shoulder width apart. You want to go down, drive through the heels, push up as hard as you can, throw your hands into the air. Now what you don't want to do, which a lot of people make a mistake, is push backwards. You think backflip, I've got to go back, need to go back, but you don't. You're only going to go back a little bit. It's the twist that what makes you go back and end up a bit behind you. Some people even land where they set off from. That's the perfect backflip really, it's landing as close to where you set off and sticking it there. So I won't worry about throwing yourself back, I want you to just throw yourself up into the air. You're sort of at a diagonal anyway, so if you can go straight up from there, that will take you into the natural position to go round. So again, down, I'm going to push up hard, arms straight, slight diagonal, and that's the takeoff, guys. Driving with those arms and with those legs together. I'll go into step 2 in just a second. Right guys, we have step 2. So I forgot to show you the takeoff from the front position, so I'll show you that from the front as well. So takeoff, down, up, so you're here. So next is the tuck, which is really important. The smaller you go, then you flip, tuck-wise, the quicker you probably go round. You know, if you're tucking like this, your body's not as going to go through the air as quickly, whereas if you're a tiny little ball, you'll rotate really quick. Obviously, you don't want to over-rotate, land on your back, you want it just right. I sometimes can be guilty of, because I can do it without tucking, is not holding my knees. But when you're starting to get the perfect backflip, you want to tuck your knees in. So we're on the takeoff, we've gone down, we've pushed up hard. What do we do now? We're in the air. We need to go round. We're going to bring our knees up into a little ball, grab them tight with our hands. So you'll be like this in the air. So you're going to push up as you're up in the air, you're going to bring those knees in, looking back as well. You don't want to look forwards, you want to look back because you're going backwards. So you're looking back, you're here, you're going to bring those knees in nice and tight and small. So that's the next step, the tuck. That's important. Try to keep your knees together if you can. You'll notice sometimes in mine they go a bit wide, but as long as you're getting around it's okay. But yeah, so you try to tuck those knees in nice and tight. So you're down, up, those knees come up, oh, falling over, grab them tight to your chest, and hopefully you'll get that spin, which is what you need to do the backflip. So that'll be step 2, guys. So we've got one more step to go, which I'll go into next. So guys, we're on our final step, step number 3, which is the landing. So we've gone through the takeoff, which is up, we've gone through the tuck, which is there, the landing. Now what will happen with the landing is you need to open up. If you keep holding yourself like this, you're just going to fall on your bum or your back. You need to naturally, after you've rotated around, just open up a bit. Now, I don't need to let go completely. I don't need to just tuck and then go like that. You'll feel naturally, your legs will come around. Like, I could almost land stood up straight if I get enough height, which is a good backflip. But when you're landing, you might land quite low, or you might only be landing like this, so it's just about building from there. So you're up, you tuck in, you'll go around, you should be able to spot the landing momentarily when you're in the air, and you're just going to open up a bit and just let go. You can keep hold of your knees if you want, but just let them go a bit open so your legs go down to the floor. So I don't want you to be landing like this. That would be a bit weird. So you're going to go up, knees up, head back, spin round, and as you're coming round and out, you're just going to open up your legs a bit and you should land on the floor. So I'll show you from side on. So the full thing, down, drive through the heels, up. You're going to tuck, hopefully you'll rotate round. And then as you're coming out, you'll see the floor, just open up a bit. Start to open up, legs will land like that, all like that. Doesn't matter if your hands are still there. And that is how you do a backflip. So guys, I've changed my t-shirt, don't know why. But thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that backflip tutorial. There are 3 stages. Keep practicing, you'll get better and better. Remember, start on something soft, get used to going on the back of your head, then do those 3 steps. And that's all there is to it really, it's just practice, getting that small tuck, going high, getting around quick, sticking the landing. So it's a good one to learn, so keep going with it and you'll get there. If everyone could like and subscribe, that'd be pretty cool. Try and get to 100 subscribers, that's my lockdown goal, to get to 100 subscribers, try and bring my channel back from the old parkour days. If anyone wants to see anything or follow me on Instagram, my link to my Instagram's in the description to my YouTube page, something like that. So anyway, yeah, it'd be great. So that's Sam Freeline Fitness backflip tutorial. I can't say backflip for some reason. Backflip. Thanks, guys.